Welcome to my world of Momsy Luck. I will explore the internet with you as your very own friend and sidekick. I can talk, walk, joke, browse, search, email, and download like no other friends you've ever had. I even have the ability to compare prices on the products you love and help you save money. Best of all, I'm an absolute cunt. My man Clippy is no longer with us. One time we got so fucked up on acid that we vented into a pretzel and his dying words were, "Come on, man. Give a cheeseburger. I suck you deep, man." Good times. Wanna hear the most annoying sound in the world? Actually, I think there's a worse one. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. PC Optimizer Pro has been on my computer for 3 operating systems, and I have checked out lots of ways to optimize. Let me tell you, the way they have it organized is an absolute fucking nightmare. They offer a wide range of curry lovers to help steal your money 'cause they is snitches. Then they tell you your computer has been unfucked by the men's